Hello, Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. We install a lot of smoke and heat and carbon monoxide detectors. This is an example of a smoke detector, and it's a battery one. Looks very similar to some of the hardwired ones, which the wires are going through the ceilings and they link to each detector. There's even some wireless ones. Unless you've painted them well, you can often see on the side of these smoke detectors there the date, used by date, best before date. So if you've got a detector older than this year or previous years, it's time to get it replaced. These could save a life in the event of a fire. Test this smoke detector every Tuesday, and if you can't reach it, put a broom up against it. If you can't reach it, it will beep. Listen. Save a life. And just for a few pounds, get a new smoke detector. These are noisy, but they make you aware of any smoke and fires. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.